Overtime rules are strict. Configuring them correctly in ADP ensures automatic, compliant calculations every pay period. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The setup is in two places. First, in the employee's profile, you set their FLSA status, usually non-exempt for hourly workers eligible for overtime. Second, in the company pay policies, you define the work week, example Sunday to Saturday, and the overtime threshold, hours over 40 in that work week. ADP will then automatically flag any hours entered over that threshold as overtime and apply the 1.5x rate, or other applicable rate. My crucial pro tip: understand state-specific rules. Some states have daily overtime, example over 8 hours in a day, or different rates for double time. ADP can handle these, but you must enable the specific state rules in your configuration. Don't assume federal rules are enough. Automate your biggest wage and hour risk with precise settings. Does your business have to account for daily overtime rules? For more guides on fair pay compliance, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.